If your Binance withdrawal is suspended, it can be frustrating, but there are several potential causes and solutions. Here's how to fix it. Check for security verification. Binance may suspend withdrawals if your account triggers security protocols. Ensure your account has passed the necessary verification, including two-factor authentication. If not, enable 2FA in your account settings. KYC verification. If you haven't completed Know Your Customer verification, Binance will suspend withdrawals until this is done. Go to the Identity Verification section in the Apple website, upload the required documents, and complete the verification. Check for open security alerts. Binance might suspend withdrawals if suspicious activity is detected. Log into your Binance account and review any security alerts or notices under the Security section. You may need to confirm your identity or reset your security settings. Account suspicion or restriction. Sometimes, Binance may suspend withdrawals due to legal or compliance issues. Review your email for any notifications from Binance. If there is a restriction on your account, follow their instructions to resolve it. Contact Binance support. If none of the above apply, contact Binance support through their help center or submit a ticket to inquire about the suspension.